Hey guys, how you doing? We just did a restoration of a giant pool deck, patio, and another. So this was it, and the family requested a family of turtles, and we carved some turtles up on the pool deck here, and we just finished putting in all the drain grates, and we're turning it over to the homeowner. But my client also just said, go heavy on the turtles, and we did this large turtle here. And it was already stamped concrete, so we just went and detailed all the stamp. We changed the whole color effect around, and then you step down into this area. Sometimes the shadow up here from the trellis doesn't do it justice, but I'll walk over here on the side so you can see what it looks like. And then we engraved and detailed some of their custom work that they had done here, and we just detailed it and gave it some color, brought it to life. And then we did a giant medallion here on this side of the patio, and we got it done today. So a good friend of mine, brother, man, Vacho Medrano, I'm here with him now. Vacho, yes. So what do you think, my brother?
Chuladas, man. Came out beautiful.
You love it? Right on, brother.
Beautiful.
Well, you know what, thank you. I'm so honored for your work, man. And you know, I hope you've got a lot of people that come around here, and this is like the entertainers capital of Sylmar.
I do have a lot of people
right?
barbecuing. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'm happy you like everything, the results.
Yes.
Everything came out great?
Oh, it came out great. I'm happy, and the time-wise, everything was great.
Awesome.
You know, it was quick.
Yes.
I enjoyed it.
Well, praise God. Thank you so much for your business, brother, and just keep referring them, and I got you, man.
All right.
All right. Stay blessed, brother.